What do you mean they're not from this world?
Open the window to hell.
Let's get this barbecue started.
G'day legends! Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of AI audio, making music, adding ripper sound effects, and even giving our characters a voice. This is where the Outback trailer really comes alive. First up, the music. Every good trailer needs a tune to set the mood. We had a little melody in mind, but trailers need different sections. Maybe a quiet build-up, some action, an emotional bit. This is where a tool like Suno AI is magic. So what is Suno? Essentially, it's an AI music generator that can create original songs, or, handily for us, take a bit of existing music and pump out variations in different styles. It's like having a whole band in your browser. Create your song with a prompt, just like you would an image or a video. Once you generate your track, then extend. You can then tell Suno what style you'd like the song to turn into. Example, for a part I wanted to grow some tension, I prompted Suno to change the track into an orchestral style. Start quietly, then gradually build up. This helped give a totally suspenseful vibe. Once I created an audio file for each section of my trailer, I then pieced them together on the timeline in my video editing tool. Music is the foundation, but sound effects are the paint. They add realism, impact, and make the visuals pop. For that, we need to dip into our sound library. The explosions, the Jeep driving by, the gunshots. Layering these sounds creates atmosphere and depth. And what about voices? Maybe some narration, or a grunt from one of our soldier mates? AI voice tools are getting fair dinkum impressive. Using tools like ElevenLabs or Hume, we can input text and generate natural-sounding speech. You can choose different voices or even design your own using prompts. Let's generate a quick line of narration.
This creative koala is really annoying.
Hey, it does sound pretty cool though, right? Once you have your voiceover recording, you can use AI tools like Kling, Hedra, or Dreamina to lip sync. That's how I can talk. Now for the final touch, bringing it all together in our editing software. Here is where we line up the music tracks, time the sound effects to the visuals, place the voiceovers, and adjust all the levels so nothing drowns out anything else. It's like conducting an orchestra. Finding the right balance is key to making the trailer impactful. And there you have it, legends. Using AI to add sound will take your AI video projects to a whole new level. If you found this helpful, give it a like and keep an eye out for future videos.
Till next time, legends.